Hello and welcome to my Salesforce CPQ training series. My name is Ahmad Mansoor Bhatti, and I'm excited to guide you through the world of Salesforce Configure, Price, Quote, CPQ. With years of experience in accounting, data analysis, and Salesforce administration, I've made it my mission to simplify the learning process for professionals like you who want to master CPQ. Whether you're just getting started or looking to sharpen your skills, these videos are designed to give you practical, hands-on knowledge. Let's dive into Salesforce CPQ and unlock its full potential together. Changes to shipping and billing information on the quote. Go to login.salesforce.com. Enter your username and password. Optionally, check the Remember Me box to save your login information. Then click Login. Click the app launcher and select Salesforce CPQ. Let's load a quote via Accounts tab. Begin by clicking on Accounts. From the drop-down menu, choose Recently Viewed. Click the pin icon next to the drop-down to save this view, so you won't need to reapply the filter. Click Douglas Incorporation, who is our prospect company. Navigate to the Related tab and under the Opportunities section select Douglas Incorporation, 20 desktop computers. This is load up the opportunity page. In the Opportunities Related list, find the Quotes section and click on the quote number, which is Q00073. The quote page will load. Click the Related tab and go to the Quote Documents section. Click on the latest version of the quote document. Click View to view the quote print preview and note down the ship to and bill to details. Now let's update billing and shipping addresses. Use the browser's back button to return to the quote document. Click the quote hyperlink from the quote document and this will load quote page. Scroll down to the Address Information section on the quote page. Click the pencil button and update the fields as required. Click Save once all information updated. Go to the Related tab and select the latest quote document. Click any quote document and then click View. So from the loaded quote document, we can see that the bill to and ship to information has not been updated. We will need to generate a new document to see the updated ship to and bill to information, as it will not be loaded on the existing quote documents. Return to the quote document page and click quote Q00073 and then click Generate Document. Click Save to create a new quote document. Click View to see the new quote, and you will notice that this quote document is with updated shipping and billing information. Update company address information. Step 1. Navigate to the quote templates. Find and click the Quote Templates tab from the top menu in Salesforce CPQ. This will take you to a list of recently viewed quote templates in your CPQ setup. Apply Filter to All to see all available quote templates. Take a moment to locate the specific template you are using for your quotes. In this case, it is Training Sample. Step 2. Open the quote template. Click on the name of the quote template. The template will open in edit mode, displaying several sections of the quote, including areas like page information, header/footer information, and corporate information. Under corporate information, we will update the address with the new company information. Click the pencil icon and update address information. Ensure all details like street, city, state, and zip code are correct. Step 3. Verify the changes. Once you've updated the address, carefully review the information to ensure accuracy. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save to apply the changes. Step 4. Generate a new quote. Now that your template has been updated with the correct company address, test it by generating a new quote. Navigate to Opportunities, select a relevant opportunity, and click New Quote. Click Save to save the new quote. Click the newly created quote IEQ 00079. When the new quote is generated, click the Preview document from the top menu, then select the template, Training Sample, and then click Preview button on the top menu. Salesforce will now use the updated information for any new quotes generated using this template. Click the Go Back button on your browser. Click the pencil button next to the expiry date field. Update the date as required, say December 20th, 2024. Click Save button at the bottom of the screen. Click Preview Document button on the top of the screen. Choose the template, Training Sample, and then click Preview. You will see that the expiry date has been updated accordingly. Click the gear button on the top right of the screen and then click Setup. This will launch the Salesforce CPQ backend. In the Quick Find box, search for Installed Packages. In the Installed Packages section, locate Salesforce CPQ. Click on Configure next to Salesforce CPQ. This is where CPQ settings are managed, and it contains various configuration options including quote-related settings. Once inside the CPQ configuration page, click the Quote tab and look for Quote Settings. Within Quote Settings, locate the option for Default Quote Validity, Days. Set it to 90 days to ensure that the expiry date for every new quote is automatically set to 90 days from the quote date. Click Save to confirm and apply the changes. Now, let's verify the change. Navigate to the Opportunities tab from the Salesforce CPQ app, either by using the app launcher or selecting it from the top menu. Find an existing opportunity or create a new one. Inside the opportunity record, click New Quote from the top menu to create a new quote for this opportunity. Leave all fields blank and click button Save, Default Date, Today, which will be the basis for calculating the expiry date. Once saved, Salesforce CPQ will automatically calculate and set the expiry date based on the 90-day offset you configured. After saving the quote, check the Quote and Check Details section of the quote record to find the expiry date field. It should now show a date that is 90 days after the quote default date. Quote date is September 20th. The expiry date should be set to December 19th, 2024. To see the updated expiry date in the actual quote document, click the Preview Document button and then select the template, Training Template, and then click button Preview to confirm that the expiry date displayed reflects the new 90-day offset.